I think that was yesterday, the driver tested positive sa ballistic exam. Sir, is it possible na kahit you were saying na wala siyang dalang baril, tama po ba yun? Pero nag-test, I mean, yung result is positive.
Yes.
Help us understand this.
Actually, in the chain of custody, doon sa ballistic na order na yan, in the chain of custody, dapat nakukuha mo yung baril, tapos ipaparapit mo siya. So, doon mo makikita, that is the possibility na nagpaputok ng baril. Yun yung initial kagad na isipin. But, pwede ka rin nakakuha ng nitrate, ng gunpowders, in other means. Halimbawa, yung humawak sa'yo, merong gunpowder sa kamay, nalipat sa'yo, sa katawan mo. But ang ito ngayon, nakita ko, when he was arrested from GSIS, dinala siya sa Senate grounds, sa second floor, idinapa siya kung saan mismo nagpaputok ng baril yung mga usaa. Ano doon, may video eh. So makikita, maraming gunpowder doon, sigurado. So that is a possibility. I'm not saying na doon, pero that is a possibility, which is reasonable. A reasonable man will believe doon nga. Dahil wala siyang hawak na baril eh. Nakuhaan ng video doon sa 5th floor. Na nandun siya doon nagpuputukan at wala siyang hawak na baril.
So it's a possibility na nakuha niya yung gunpowder doon mismo sa area.
It's a big possibility. Or the police officers or the USAA that handled him. Remember, nagpaputok yung mga USAA. Ginawakan siya.